Iman. My matric number is CE170180. I am member number 1 from section 4, group number 2.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Amirul Syahid Ibn Zulkifli. Matric number CE170086.
My name is Hagilan Murugaya and my matric number is CE170031. I am member 3 from group 2 from section 4.
Hello and hi, my name is Muhammad Najmi Zikri bin Nazri. My matric number is DE170140.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Nur Hasib bin Shamuri and I'm a last member from Group 2 Section 4. My matric number is DE170114. Hi, good evening. I'm delighted to be here to present to you about our project. The title is Roadway Traffic Monitoring from an Unmanned Aerial Vehicle. So, before that, I'm proud to introduce to you all my group members. The first member is myself, Muhammad Nur Hasib, and the second member is Muhammad Najmi Zikri. The third member is Hagilan. The fourth member is Amirul Iman, and the last member is Amirul Shahid. So, for our video presentation, is divided into 8 parts. First, we will talk about introduction. Second, we'll talk about problem statement. Third, objective. Fourth, scope of project. Fifth, methodology. Sixth, analysis and discussion. 7. Challenge to complete the project during MCO. And lastly, the demonstration of project. Before I start, does anyone know traffic management and accident management is very important for humans in congestion city in order to provide comfortable lifestyle and safety. By having this system, people will have real-time information on traffic condition around the city, which can avoid from stuck on traffic jam. At present, by using a drone as a solution, are widely used to monitor traffic condition in a small and fixed coverage area, which is stationary and short view sight. Among the reasons for using drones as monitoring tools is because drones can survey dangerous places. It also can increase the enforced security and surveillance in a difficult area to reach. Besides that, it can also reduce costs because they are cheap and affordable. The next slides, I will present to you about the problem statement. First off, vehicle on the road increase. Recently, the amount of vehicles on the road are increasing rapidly. People nowadays prefer to use personal vehicle to get to a destination. The traffic congestion. This situation will lead to traffic congestion during peak hour. Peak hour of traffic congestion occur when everybody is using the road at the same time, heading towards the same location. When traffic congestion occurs, the travel time of every road user will increase. The third point is drone as a monitor. A drone can be used to monitor the situation of a traffic congestion as to survey the main cause to the jam traffic. When an emergency is detected, a suitable action can be taken out by the authority to become the situation. Last point is drone can record the situation. The drone can also record the situation whenever a road rash is detected. This will help the victim in getting proof for what had happened to them besides recording the situation using dashcam in their own vehicle.
For this project, we have three objectives. which are firstly to improve on the road monitoring systems in terms of safety. Next, to reduce the rate of accidents and crimes on the road, and lastly to provide safety to users on the road. The scopes of this project have four, but it is divided into two parts, which is IDP 1 and IDP 2. For IDP 1, my friend and I have to make sure that the drone can be used to fly and the camera attached to the drone are functioning. This is to make sure that the drone can be used to navigate through the targeted traffic area and the camera attached to the drone can capture the video of the traffic.
Hello and hi, my name is Muhammad Najmi Zikri bin Nazri. I will continue on this part, which is its methodology for this project. First is this project is involved using a drone and the depth sense camera for monitoring. The drone is programmable, the type of drone, and can be controlled and autonomously controlled. Suitable hardware that was chosen is DJI TELLO EDU. The drone and the camera will be integrated to the perform monitor activity. Suitable the programming coding will be installed in the drone so it can perform the monitoring based on this objective. Okay, next is the flowchart project. So for this project, what you can see is a flowchart. First it is a start, and then the drone on the started to fly from the starting platform to the next platform. And then a drone scan the traffic, and then next is a general the information. After that is go to if there are many vehicles on the road. If yes, the drone are sent to the data to the control room, and then you go to the take action from the data that are received. If not, charging the drone battery and ready to fly again. And next is we go to the hardware. Hardware that we are use is DJI TELLO EDU. For this specification of the drone is a 72p HD transmission. The drone also have a 5 MP photo and the 30-minute flight time. And we have a precise hovering program or a swarm of drones, vision path of material use and multiple flight mode. Okay, why we choose the DJI TELLO EDU because of the drone are durable and the drone can also programmable and do the task perfectly when according to what we are command in the coding. So next we go through the programming language. For DJI TELLO EDU, it has a three language which is a Scratch, Python and Swift. So for project, we use Python, and the reason why we are choose Python because of Python are easy to use and also is suitable for this project. So next we go to the software. So basically we use a Python like I said before, and then for the programming part we use PyCam. We code all the command and that are needed in this project.
So I will explain about the operation of our drone from this picture. So as you can see, this is the main road. So our drone will be operate from the checkpoint that have been provided. So we have the checkpoint 1 and checkpoint 2. So the distance between these two checkpoints is 100 meter. The reason why we decided to use 100 meter distance is because our drone is a small drone, so it cannot fly at a very long time, which means it also cannot fly at a very long distance. So when the operator run the coding on the software, the drone will start to hover from the checkpoint one to the main road. So as you can see, it moved from the checkpoint one to the main road. So it will move along this road to monitor the condition of the traffic, and it will count the number of vehicle that is on the road. So it will fly along this road. After it's complete its flight, there is one 100-meter distance. The drone will go back to the checkpoint 2 for the charging purpose. So as you can see, it will land on the checkpoint to be charging, and then it will continue for the next operation. Hi, my name is Amirul Shahid. I will explain about the result and analysis for this part. I'm doing it together with my partner Hagilen. So let's go through this part, the result and analysis. Okay, first of all, the programming. The drone is programmed to fly autonomously using Python language on PyCharm software. Before the program is run, the drone is connected to the laptop through Wi-Fi. The software will display the battery percentage and display the camera feed if the drone successfully connected to the software. For the operating time, the drone will operate during peak hour. For example, like when people going to work and people going back from work, or during festivity season where it is hard to monitor the traffic from the ground. Okay, for the image processing, the drone scan the traffic by detecting the number of vehicles along the road until it reaches a checkpoint for charging. So the drone will hover through the main road to do the monitoring. So the operator can examine the traffic condition by watching the live camera streaming on the laptop. And our drone also can be operated for the other device, for example smartphone.
So for the result part, I am going to explain the DJI TELLO drone coding with you all. The compiler we use is Python. So this is the coding for running the TELLO drone. First of all, we need the DJI TELLO Py library. We are importing it as TELLO, and then we will need our CV2 library as well. Now initially we are defining our parameters of the images size and the counter, and if you do not want the drone fly, you will put 1 instead of 0. Now initially we are going to connect our drone, and these are the parameters and velocities of the forward, backward, right, left, up and down directions. And then we will start the main loop of the drone, and in the main loop we are getting our image from the TELLO drone, and then we are converting or resizing it to our specification. Once we have done that, we will look if this is the first frame. If it is the first frame, the counter will be 0. So we should take off. So this method is basically defining distance and angle. So this is an example where the robot or drone will move, for example 20 centimeter to the left, and then it will rotate, for example again 90-degree clockwise. Now after it's done that, it will put the counter as 1 and then it will show us the image and it will stop. Well, it will not stop, but it will not do anything else. Now the other method is using velocities, that we will be using the object movement because we don't want to define how much distance we need to move. We want to define the velocity changes only. So we are going to improve or update this coding with autopilot and image and video processing facilities for our project. Thank you very much.
This is the challenges that my team members and I have gone through throughout the process of finishing the IDP 1. Firstly is communication. To start off, my group members and I lived separately, and during the movement control order, we were restricted to meet each other to discuss about the project progress. And some of us are facing with internet connection difficulty, making them late to receive the information of the project progress. Secondly is during the code developing process, we have encountered many errors while experimenting with the new code system that we have learned. Lastly is shortage in resources. We could not find the appropriate experienced person to make us our reference for this project, as this drone field is a new field for all of us.